Hey guys, Sam here. Today is April 12th or 13th. I forget what it is. 13th. I went ahead and ordered the wiring system or kit for the Impala. I was holding off on getting this because I was trying to look at some other options and different things, wiring systems like quick wire and then different kit from American Autowire, like the Builder series and things like that. Anyways, I went ahead and just got the kit that is for the 61 through 64 Impala. And the reason I went ahead and bought it now is because I've got to go ahead and cut my firewall. Because supposedly, here's the fuse box, and I've got to make that hole bigger. They send you a template somewhere in here. Yeah, right here. And that is what I'm going to try to do today. I really haven't worked on the car that much. It's been probably a couple of weeks or probably 3 weeks. I hadn't done nothing to it. I've just been so busy at work, and life gets in the way. Anyways, there's the size of the hole that's there, and we got to cut it out to that size. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. It says you gotta, this comes on a adhesive paper on here. You peel it back and mount this, I think on the inside or outside. I hadn't read the whole instructions, and then you cut that hole out that size. And I should have done that a while back, because like I said, I've already pretty much finished the firewall here. I got it painted. It's kind of dirty looking right now, but anyways, so if I end up scratching or whatever, just gonna have to live with it. And also, I mounted the original old radiator with the shroud on there, and it clears my gearbox. I've got probably you can stick a finger in there between the radiator and the gearbox. I don't plan on installing this radiator. I was just trying to see what kind of clearance it had from this gearbox. So if I purchase a Champion radiator, which that's what I was looking at, it measures, according to their website, it measures, gives you the measurements and how much it sticks out. And so if it's approximately this thickness here, it should clear. If it comes out just a little bit into here, because I think it's a little bit longer than this one, or wider, and it should clear that gearbox without the notch. So that's kind of another thing I've been holding off, is I was going to see if I needed to have the notch radiator or not. Notch or not. But anyways, it looks like if I get one without it, it looks like it's going to clear. So that's probably what I'll end up ordering next. So let me get started on that, and I'll bring you guys back if I get anything done. Alright.